Today's recipe is for 1 single bar of soap. It's great if you just want to experiment with different scents or different additives, and it's perfect to just use up the leftover fats you may have in your house. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. The single bar recipe is perfect for when you're just learning because you have a lot less volume of ingredients to have to manage. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. One-half cup cold water. 2 heaping tablespoons of commercial lye. 1 cup melted tallow cooled to body temperature. 'Any decorations you want to add, like flower petals or scents like essential oils. Before we begin, I just have a few words of caution for you. Wearing eye protection is an absolute must. Lye can cause blindness. Lye is extremely caustic. Rinse with water immediately if it contacts your skin. Do not inhale the fumes while working with it. Okay, let's begin. Slowly add the lye to the water. The chemical reaction will get very hot. Let it cool to body temperature slowly. Combine the tallow and the lye solution in a glass bowl. Mix slowly and steadily, and this is where you should be wearing your eye protection, until the mixture thickens to the consistency of a thick sour cream. At this point, you could add a few drops of essential oils or half a teaspoon of soap coloring if that's what you'd like. Go ahead and pour it into your soap mold. Cover the mold with a towel, but do not let it touch the soap to retain. You want to just use it to retain the heat. You can use a silicone mold, like some of those silicone cake or cupcake molds at the dollar store, or you could make a wooden one yourself. When the soap has hardened, about 24 hours or even a little longer, you can go ahead and unmold it and set it out to cure. If you are making multiple bars of soap at a time, separate them out so the air can flow around them. Let it age for at least 3 months before using. You can experiment with different fats that are left over from your kitchen that have been rendered to make soap. It's just going to affect the consistency, and there's tables you can use to tell you how it'll turn out. Have fun experimenting with your soap making. I hope this video helps.